Hello YouTube, welcome to the Go series. Today we are going to talk about the Go website. Since this is one of the features that will make your life easier as a Go developer while trying to navigate and find things while you're coding. So basically it lives in go.dev. That's where the main website, official website for Go is located. When you visit, you'll get this landing page. So it has some things, some CTOs here getting started. If you want to download and install it, you can see, and here you can see download packages for Windows 64 bits, Mac OS, Linux, and more. So you can always click there. We have some companies using Go, and if you want to try Go, you can always try it. We have here, this is one of the most important sections of this website, the navigation bar, since you can be able to navigate through this site of the years. So you can see why Go. It has case studies, uses of Go, use cases, and security. So for beginners, this is your section actually, the LAN. You can open it and you get to see what it does. We have the docs. In the docs we have effective Go. This is tip for writing clear, performant, and idiomatic Go code. We have the user manual. This is for reference. It covers everything from scratch, from zero to hero. We have the standard library. This is also a reference for Go standard libraries. Anything you think of, I think it's already implemented as a Go library. We have the release notes. If you want to know what's new or what has been released in maybe the latest Go version. You have the communities. Some communities you can join, some meetups, some conferences. But let's look at the LAN section. So in the LAN, if you want to install Go, you can click here on download. You'll get the different binaries for the different architectures and different operating systems. You get to install them. It's easy, it's pretty easy. You just click on it, download the package, and install it in your system. But here we have some tutorials that can help you as a beginner. You have the documentation, everything here you need to know about Go. We have the Go tour. This is an interactive introductory for Go. It's divided in 4 sections. I will emphasize or ask you to study with this, since you will learn and get to try out whatever you have learned here and run it to see if it's working or not, the code you have written, if it's working or not. Or you can always use, and if you don't want to install Go yet, or you want just to test it, get familiar with the syntax, there is play.golang.org, whereby you get the same online playground where you can write and test your code. Let's say you want to write hello world, you can always modify this code. It's called the playground. You can always come here, modify this code, say maybe hello world, and have an exclamation mark there, and then you can choose the version of Go you want to run with. Currently we are at Go 1.21, so you will say run, and you'll get your results here. So a tour of Go is one of the best resources you can learn with Go. You can always navigate, see other pages, get complete a milestone or a module, get to another module. If you want to see the table of content, you have it here. You can always move forward if you want to, or if you are somewhere here you don't have to move here, this kind of slow, you can move fast with the table of content. You have the dark mode or the light mode. Yeah, that's basically all you need to know about the Go website. Maybe we can end with printing hello world. So basically this is simple. You'll get to understand this code in no time, in a very short time, when you start talking about go. So just edit this and say hello world and run. Yay, you're a good developer officially. Thank you for watching this till the end. See you in the next one.